Welcome to another ICAM Foundation tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to export an APT file in preparation of generating G-code. Go to your Activities process tree. Select your correct process. At the bottom, open the Analysis and Output tab. Click Generate NC code interactively. The settings will be set from the machine settings used previously. If you have multiple processes, select the one you would like to generate. Click Execute. Go to your tree view and select the newly generated APT file. Right-click, select NC Files Container, and then Export from NC Files Container. Select the folder where you would like to export your file and click OK. You now have your APT source and log file.